Hey guys, it is Saturday evening here in West Virginia, and today we're doing something slightly different for our Square Body Saturday. As I told you, it was going to be a K5 Blazer, but we're actually doing the new dualies from M2. I got lucky today when I was at Walmart and found the set, so just going to take a quick look at them. I actually have two sets, so if somebody needs one, I got a set available for $120 shipped anywhere in the US, maybe slightly negotiable. We'll see, but right now I have two. One I'm keeping, one I'm selling. So anyways, we're just going to take a quick look at them. We're not going to unbox them because these things are a pain to unbox and unscrew and take out, but I can give you a close-up look at all three of them. So we'll start with my favorite, which is the Coke one, which is on top here. This is your Slam Dually, and this is a 1973 Chevy Cheyenne Super 30 with the 1957 Chevy Bel-Air gasser. The gasser I really like. Just wish these didn't have these sponsors on them. I don't mind sponsors and stuff, especially Coke. It's kind of cool because we've had these like sponsored Coke cars since I can remember. Back in the 90s, Johnny Lightning was doing it and such. So Coca-Cola's been on toy cars for many decades. So this is nothing new, but for the first appearance of these outside of the, I think, club or membership M2 truck, I would have made these more conservative with just a two-tone paint job or one color or even something with wild graphics, but not the pop, the soda, because in my opinion, they went too crazy with this Coke and Fanta Sprite crap for too long. It's just too much. So anyways, that's just my 2 cents on it. I know some of you guys love it, and as I said, it's not bad, but I think the first ones, it would have been better to have just basic paint jobs. But as you can see, the black one, it's slam stance, looking really good. Black with a red interior, which is pretty sweet. It has the wing on it to kind of give you a little bit of airflow over the trailer when it's hauling like a enclosed box trailer is usually what those are for. Like the NASCAR show cars, a lot of their trucks had those on them to give it that airflow up above the trailer and such. So anyways, pretty sweet. And as I said, the gasser, really do like it. This reminds me of the black one with flames. That's my favorite variant of their 57 Chevy gasser, which I may try to pick that up again. Used to have it, but unfortunately sold it. And as you guys know, I'm trying to rebuild my collection a little bit, but in a different direction. So anyways, you can see it's got the black trailer. The trailers are all metal. The dualies are all metal chassis and such. The gasser, I'm not sure if they used a cheaper plastic chassis or if they used a metal chassis on it or not. Haven't opened this at all to take a look at it. Now, the next one we're taking a look at is your Sprite. This is your 1975 Chevrolet Silverado 30 4x4 with the 59 Chevrolet Apache step side. So this is a very cool truck. I did take one of these out because the tire was coming off the wheel. I don't know if it was this one or the other one, but I took it out so I could fix the tire on it. You know, M2's quality control is above standards. So anyways, yeah, I had to fix that. But when I had it out, the thing rolls beautiful, like the 4x4s, the regular short box, and then the K5s. As I was bragging on how well the 4x4s roll, this thing rolls just as good. I was amazed. I was kind of figuring that those big dual rear tires would be bent. Not such a chance. This thing rolls like new. Or well, not like new, it is new, but it rolls like very straight, perfect, without any wobble. And then this is how I know the trailers are die-cast, because this is the first time I've owned any of the truck and trailer sets from M2. Usually it's just the auto haulers, the big rig with the car trailer, the car hauler, something like that. So anyways, this is the first time I've had my hands on these, and this is metal, which is kind of cool. And then the Apache, once again, don't know if it has a plastic chassis or not. And these dualies are opening hood, if you guys didn't know. The Sprite one when I had it out, I opened the hood. It only opens a little bit. Like maybe it's sticking or something. Don't know. That's how some other cars are with the opening parts. They're not so great. Not sure if it's designed to just open like that much or if it's designed to open more. So last but not least is the other one. This is a 1973. Yeah, 1973 GMC Sierra 3500 with the 1973 GMC Jimmy. So this is pretty cool set because it kept it all square body. Just wish it didn't have the Phantom stuff on it, but still not bad. And this has a cap on it, and the cap does come off. As you can see, it's taped on. So you take the tape off and you can remove the cap, which is pretty cool. Like the stock standard stance on this one, because this is like your standard looking dually, standard wheel size, standard ride height, pretty sweet. The Jimmy looks cool, slammed on the ground, and it does have the removable top. As you can see, it has the rubber bands holding it down. Not sure if it has an opening hood or not. That was the one thing I was disappointed about with the K5 that I'm going to unbox for you guys tomorrow. And it's up here. You guys probably can already see that. That one we're going to be unboxing tomorrow. But yeah, I wanted to get these out there before I forgot because these are pretty cool. But as I said, I'm going to sell my second set, maybe even sell my personal set because I'm just not a fan of these sponsored paint jobs. But if it was like a NASCAR, a race car, or something like that, then yeah, I probably would keep it because that's more realistic. Like Action Collectibles, the RCCA, they make really nice dualies with the big enclosed, I think, what are the Featherlight trailers and stuff that have the show car NASCARs in them. Those are excellent sets. They used to SRP for like 40 or 50 bucks, but nowadays they're probably a little more. But then again, sometimes you can get NASCAR collectibles fairly cheap. So you may want to look into those. Those have some really nice dualies and some really nice enclosed trailers. And those lettered up, sponsored up kind of trucks and trailers I admire because those are realistic. But these things are not. So anyways, that's just my 2 cents on the sponsored paint jobs. So guys, I appreciate you watching. I hope this gave you a little more close-up detailed look. Sorry I didn't take them out for you. Maybe if I do decide to keep my sets, I'll unbox them and then show them to you loose. But anyways, we'll be back again tomorrow to take a look at that K5 a little closer. So enjoy your Saturday night, and I will see you again on Sunday.